Hey everyone, welcome back to another Crypto Unplugged YouTube video. It's Doc here, and if this is your first time watching our channel, both Oz and I have been talking about crypto, altcoin gems, and technical analysis for a while. Today we're diving into Base's meme coins, revealing the top 5 meme coins that could potentially explode to 100x in this cycle with the meme coin frenzy, just like the last video we did on Solana's meme coins as well. So you'll discover hidden gems flying under the radar and how these coins could dominate the cycle, and why Base is becoming an up-and-coming meme coin blockchain-based system. So don't miss out and watch the video to the end. So Oz, we've got 6 particular coins, 1 bonus one, and we're going to be giving our viewers a bit of a metric system. So not only like the last video we did with the diamond hands holders, but also we're going to be going into why we think, with our articulated formula, why we think these coins have the potential. So there's some clout behind these. So yes, Oz.
Yeah, no, it's definitely, because the last video we done, I think we placed our picks specifically on the wallet holders and the growth, but we've come up with I think a Crypto Unplugged formula now that will standardize, in my opinion, anything that we kind of review, and it's going to be quite exciting to see which of these base meme coins is actually the top one that could potentially go to 100x. So yeah, it's going to be quite exciting, this video, so stay tuned, viewers, and let's get into the first one. So Doc, what were we looking at the beginning?
Okay, so the first one, which is a bit of a bonus one, okay, before we go into the 5 top picks, is Toshi, Oz. So let's have a look at Toshi.
So we're looking at Toshi, and we'll go through the same sort of scenario. With Base, it's kind of different to Solana memes in the fact that there are much fewer diamond hand holders. So there's a lot of selling going on in terms of the Base meme coins, and particularly because they're so much of a lower market cap, in my opinion, a lot of them are. But Base has seen a lot of selling going on, so this metric has to be quite, you have to look at this yourself, whether Base will take off as a chain. But this is, or it also could highlight some really undervalued coins. So Toshi has as of it was yesterday, it was around 495,000 holders, 495, 361 active holders. So a large amount of holders for Toshi. And if we go to the actual statistic, we got the holders increasing, even though price is dropping. You can see price has been dropping since April 2024. We're in Jan 2025, so price from its all-time high has come down, but the wallet holders still increasing. And obviously you got the FOMO probably coming in with the wallet holders, so you had that big spike back in July. But yeah, ever since July, we're still trending up, and you got about 500,000 followers, not followers, active wallets. So it's still, I would say, a lot of accumulation has been happening, and you've had quite a lot of accumulation happening in the last I would say last 30 days. You had over 5 million and 546 unique wallets being created, and accumulation has been taking place. Going into what we've created, and I think this is quite exciting, the metric that we've created is exactly where we've got the active holders, we've got the market cap, we've got our own formula in there, and then we got our score. So what I would say for this video, everything's relative, depending how you're assessing coins, but anything that's closer to a 1 or higher than a 1, I would say, is very, very good and undervalued. The lower the efficiency score, this is our efficiency score, then it would be, I would say, overvalued or speculative, that you could get something out of it, but not as much confidence. So when we see all the coins, you'll probably get a better idea of exactly where Toshi sits. But right now it's at 0.07, so we've given that at 0.07, well, the formula has anyway. So yeah, I think Toshi could be a good one. And where I would go on this, where's Toshi? There's Toshi. What I would do with this Toshi, it's about 135 million market cap, I think it was 142 million market cap. I will put it as a 10x for me for Toshi. Doc, you can go to the next one.
Okay, so some of these I've already posted a blog post on themarketsunplugged.com and we're going to be doing this updated version as well, where I mentioned the following 5, or actually 5 of the 6 already. So do check that post out. Will be linked in the comments below. So the next one will be Degen Oz. So if we look at Degen and just have a look at what this token is all about. Okay, we're looking at the moment, the market cap is fairly low. It's above 100, but 138 million. But we're looking at, checking out the diamond hands related to this. So Degen, the symbol is DEGN. Interesting one. At the moment, 880,000 active holders. And you can see at the moment the diamond hands base, like Oz mentioned, compared to Solana diamond hands, is lower than what we would expect. So at the moment, we can see how many diamond hands there are percentage wise. And we have 174 unique wallets as well. So you can see from the graph below, since its inception from February 2004, there was a big spike and it's coming down since the new year as well. So this is a lot of potential as well. And according to our formula, where I see this going up. So if we put this in our formula system and just reveal where that would go. So this is closer to a bit higher, slightly higher than Toshi. So I would say, Oz, that coming onto this chart and where it would X, I would say it's probably maybe about 15 to 20x. So in between 10, 15x, I would say. But we can put it in the same category as Toshi.
Okay, Degen. So you think it's, probably slightly higher based on the metrics. So let's just keep it as a 10x. What's the next one, Doc, we're looking at?
Well, next one we're looking at, and I think this one has got a huge potential, Oz, and I think this is something that you spoke about for some time as well, and we did put in our private Telegram group when someone mentioned it as well, is Kecat, which is another one of the cat season coins as well.
Yeah, everything seems cat related nowadays. So let's look at Kecat and exactly where it will feature in the. It's actually gone up 32% today, so that's quite a big bounce. It's about 46 million market cap. Let's put it into the analysis, and to see exactly where we can get for Kecat. 1,000 holders, that's a lot of holders. And you can see for Kecat, the diamond hands is actually 43%. It's probably one of the best for base that we've seen at the moment. So Kecat, in the last 30 days, again, almost 2.3 million worth of accumulation, and in a market cap coin, low market cap coin, which is around 46 million. That's quite decent as well. 300 unique wallets being created in the last month, and we've seen wallet holders just always rising. So a lot of accumulation is happening with Kecat. Now, looking at our own formula, let's see where Kecat now gets into. So as you can see, Kecat has jumped quite a lot, 0.25. That's quite efficient in terms of getting closer to that 1 level. To get to the 1 is very rare in my opinion, but as getting close to it, it shows that Kecat is actually undervalued in my opinion, as compared to where it is. A 39. Well, I did it yesterday and it was a 39 million market cap. Today it's a 46 million market cap. So it's gone up quite a lot anyways. So where am I going to put this into the potential? So what is it? It's a 46 million market cap, 0.25. I would say this is going to be between, I could give it a 25 to I'm not going to give it a 50x personally. I would probably put it around the 25x mark, maybe the 30x mark. 50 is a bit much for me at this stage. So Kecat I will put around here, around the 25x, but I think it's got a lot of potential personally.
Okay, Oz. Now, next one is interesting. It's not a cat based meme coin. Interesting name, Base Squad, and the ticker is TDBG. Okay, interesting one this, because it's such a low market cap. I mean, at the moment it's around 16 million. We can see here, and since the last year or so, it's been fairly performing pretty well. But coming into the meme season that we can see right now, again, of course, in terms of diamond holders, still low, 104,000 active holders. at the moment, with at the moment 138 unique wallets as well. This is a risky one. Okay, so do your own research, and not financial advice, but just for the sake of entertainment and discovering these gems as well. This has a huge potential to go. If it kicks off, and that's a big if it does kick off, then I could see this one going, even performing better than Kecat Oz, because the market cap is still so low, and you can see on the efficiency score there, it's coming up, more than half, 0.58, touching towards the 1. I would say this is potentially a way above 25x Oz, and I would say it's between maybe touching the 50x. I would even put it down to like I would say let's put it in the 50x category. No financial advice, but do your own research. These are all Degen coins, but they do have a huge potential if things to start kicking off.
Yeah, so the next one we're going to be looking at is another cat, and it's Mochi, and I think this is crypto's cutest cat, and this has been around for quite some time, Mochi, and looking at it again, it's a low market cap. I think a relatively low market cap. It came out towards the hype, I think, of the cat season. 11 million market cap. It's very, very low. So again, you got to do your own research with these sort of things. We're just giving you the overview of exactly where Mochi could go. Let's look at it. It's got 91,000 active holders, 25%. Again, if you're looking at all of these coins that we're currently analyzing, a lot of them, if this is for base, this is actually a big percentage, 25%. Diamond hands, never sold. Again, we've had some for 11 million market cap coin in the last 30 days, 226,000 worth of accumulation, 62 unique wallets. Again, price has been going down, but active wallet holders are increasing. A little spike, in early January, end of December. So again, Mochi is looking like it's still being adopted. It's not dead in that sense. And again, if you look at it for our metric, let's put Mochi on. Where does it get there? It's very, very undervalued in my opinion, compared to exactly the market cap, the active wallet holders. That seems to me like an undervalued coin. And for me, Mochi at 11 million market cap, and if cat season starts kicking off, I would also put this at a 50x, maybe even 100x, but I'll just keep this at 50x at the moment, and I'll put it with T-Bag. So they're doing a base code. Sorry, they're doing a good. It's TYBG, right? So they're doing a good partnership there. So I'll put that cat at 50x.
Okay. Now, Oz, this last one, okay, and viewers, I'm glad that you have stuck around until this point in the video. Before I do reveal the last one, which is 100x, and Oz has actually held this and he's been speaking for it some time, just watch this short video. Don't let this opportunity slip you by. For less than 65 cents a day, that's the cost of a Snickers bar, you can unlock the ultimate crypto edge with Alpha Insider at the Markets Unplugged. So why join the Alpha Insider? Because you've got Crypto Daily Alpha newsletter, your one-stop resource for the latest news, regulation updates, insights, airdrops, token unlocks, and much more to keep you informed always. Plus, every weekday you've got the Market Daily Alpha packed with daily TA on Bitcoin and altcoins, plus weekly and monthly levels to ensure you're never sidelined or caught mid-cycle. You've got our DCA strategy table that includes more than 25 altcoins with 3 DCA in levels for perfect entry points, plus 3 DCA out levels to take profits strategically to avoid round-tripping your gains back to zero, and watch your wallet grow and make sure you stay that way. Plus, you've got access to our exclusive Telegram community to join like-minded people from the Crypto and Markets Unplugged community, and you'll have access to exclusive altcoin charts, vote on the DCA altcoin picks, and ask questions about TA, fib levels, and more. So why wait? Protect your portfolio, maximize your crypto gains this bull cycle with realistic profit strategies. The clock is ticking. This is your last chance to grab the Alpha Insider at an unbeatable price. Click the link below and start your journey with confidence and make this bull cycle count. Okay, Oz, now this is a coin that you've been speaking about for some time. The reason why you've been speaking about this is because you've been holder of Pepe for a long time since it came out, and this is Peezy. also known as Pepe. Okay, and it's an interesting one, Oz, because Peezy is such a low market cap. Okay, it's around about just below 3 million at the moment, which is criminal. And you can see the total supply is also about a billion, which is not too much for meme coins. Fully circulate maximum supply as well. And looking at the metrics related to Peezy, if we have a look at that, yes, low diamond hands. Okay, but at the moment we have 658,000 active holders. And coming down at the moment, accumulation is there, 38 unique wallets. So there must be some big wallet holders holding on to this. And it's a token or meme coin that's been around for some time. I mean, a good part of since April, I think it was launched. So I would say, Oz, that Peezy community also is quite strong with Peezy as well, or building up, I would say. And I think this one, if we look at the score, it's absolutely obliterated the remaining tokens on this list. So it's above efficiency score. As you mentioned at the beginning of this video, for your benefit, viewers, that anything above 1 would be a very, very high score. And this is actually a 3.35. So I would say, Oz, and without, according to our metrics, no financial advice, of course, is that Peezy would go to become 100x.
Yeah, I think so. I think if Peezy takes off because of the Pepe narrative and basically the low market cap, the only thing I would say with Peezy is be careful is of the accumulation. It could have, it's starting to go up now. It had a massive spike up in May, so you have to see actually more adoption coming in now. But comparing its holders, 658,000 holders, comparing it to its market cap, that's 658,000 holders and a 3 million, market cap. The wallet efficiency score is very high. So, this could be very, very undervalued. So, yeah, it's something that we have to put at the top.
Okay, viewers, I hope you found this useful. There you go. Out 6. Okay, as a bonus, we've got as a 10x Toshi, and then we've got Degen doing a 10x as well, along with Kecat, which is a 25x, base squad 50x, Mochi as well with the cat themes, and right at the top with a potential 100x would be Peezy. Okay, viewers, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and please hit that like button, subscribe button, and leave your comments below, and see you guys in the next video.